Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Go on Windows operating system, then run codes. So this code that will run after the installation. To download the software in Google search box, write there Go, then go on this code.dev site. Click this, then click on this download. There you can get for Windows, Mac, Linux. So let's use their Windows. MSI file is now currently downloading. So here go Windows AMD 64 and MSI file that's downloading currently. Now you can also get there for zip file, PKG, this all or there, MSI, zip. So go that's downloaded. Let's click on this show in folder. Here you need to double click on this. Thereafter click on next, next and install. Then click on this install button. Here you can see installing Go programming language and here you can see the status. So Go is now currently installing. Now there I'm going to create one directory, Go project. So here and this here almost done. So now you can see Go that's done here. Let's click on finish. Then open the command prompt. CLS. To check the version of Go, you can write there Go version. So you can see this Go 126.3 that install. If you need help, write there Go help. This you can get there. So bug build doc env fmt, this is there. And here to run, you can use this command to compile and run. Thereafter here I have the code to add two numbers using Go. Let's copy this. Control C here, creating the empty file. Control V, Control S to save. This saving on this Go project. Select all. Here giving the name add.go. So add.go. Now let's copy this location, open the command prompt and here let's use this location, use the cd command because file is there, ls, you can see this, okay, dir, this file is there, add.go. To run this, here we need to use this run command, then write there go and here add.go. Okay, let's use there go, then run. So many times I confuse what we need to use first, run go or go run. Here this is now Go run. Currently this is compiling and according to given code that's returning the output. Let's do some changes. Open with here giving the value 26. Control S to save. Close this one and go run add.go here 36 that's displaying. So this is how we can run the Go program and install the Go inside Windows. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.